The Umkhonto we Sizwe Party has attracted all races in South Africa. The party that was just formed on 16 December 2023 and has gained a lot of supporters. The former President Jacob Zuma formed Umkhonto we Sizwe Party, and he stated so many times that black people in particular are still not liberated because they don't own land. There's no equality in this country. The African National Congress is no longer sticking to their main policies. He stated that he formed Umkhonto we Sizwe Party because he wants peace in South Africa, and Umkhonto we Sizwe is for white and black people. Anyone who wants change and sick and tired of the ANC of Ramaphosa, the party that is very corrupt and doesn't deliver their promises to their people, they must vote for Umkhonto we Sizwe Party. All races are interested in the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party. Some are interested in this party because the former president wants discipline in this country, and he's fighting for people to be equal and wants every race to play an important role in the economy of South Africa. Some are joining because they believe that the current president, Cyril Ramaphosa, is evil because he's busy endorsing the New World Order, and it's been proven that the man is a dictator. During COVID-19 pandemic, he wanted people to vaccinate forcefully so, and even deployed soldiers so that they can fight for him. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.